What is going on tonight, guys? So it's been a little bit of time. Last time you saw us, we were taking apart the motor. I'm sorry, putting back together the motor. Finally, got the heads on, got pretty much everything cleaned up. We did go ahead and put in the front crankcase seal. So tonight we're going to do the rear main, as well as potentially put on the flywheel, the clutch, and even potentially mount up the transmission. That would be really cool. Tonight, though, we are going to do the rear main seal, and to do the rear main seal, right underneath here, I actually need to go ahead and put this on the jack stand, or I'm sorry, the cherry picker, and get this off of the stand. Ideally, that will be the last time that this motor is on the stand, and yeah, we will go from there. Very first thing, though, I did get the, there's a gasket that you can replace in here. I'm going to replace that one just because I don't know the condition of it. I really don't. So that is going to be the first step. Then we are going to put it off, take it off the cherry picker, or take it off of the engine hoist with the cherry picker to give us access to the rear main. It's actually just like a cool little plate, as you can kind of peek your head in there a little bit. I don't know if you guys can really see a whole lot, but yeah, just a plate. So the whole plate should come off, and it should slide out and work out really well. So we are going to get working on that, and we'll come on back as soon as we're done. Okay, so we have everything cleaned up there, as well as here's the base plate. Okay, this is called an oil slinger, so this is used in conjunction with the new seal. This is the old seal. This one was just like basically barely sitting in there. So I don't know if that's a good thing or a bad thing, but it really wasn't leaking a whole lot anyways. This is the new seal. So this is the improved, this is a PTFE gasket, so BS40644. You can also get the 40620, which is supposed to be more similar to this design. And from what I can tell on a couple of threads, you reuse this piece as well. So from the LMR video, they showed that this needs to be pressed in. So we're gonna give it a shot first of seeing what this looks like, if it needs to be pressed in or not, and then we will go from there. So let's see. Yeah, I mean that. It looks like that does need at least a little bit of a press. So what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna lube this up with some WD-40 real quick. Okay. Just again watching a couple videos on LMR. What they just recommended is, I think they recommended, technically speaking, a larger piece. I'm actually just going to use the old seal, just like this. And they said throw it in a vise and press her in. Let's see if we can get this down enough. Okay. Well, see if that we'll see if it's happy with that. It shouldn't really matter, but we will see. Actually, let me get it in the middle and do this right here. Oh, that's unfortunate. We will see, because I think that whole back plate sits rather flush. So we're going to try to do this right here and just make it work. Looks like something like that. Okay. Let's at least get it started first. You know what's funny is it's already almost totally in. From what I can see, I mean, it's flush up there. We will grab a rubber mallet real quick. that to go on the exterior of the crankshaft. And actually, this should be sitting external already. So you know what? I really don't need to be messing with this a whole lot. Okay, well we're gonna put a little dab of silicone on the bottom and get this installed.
Just like the street lights lit this town, like a fire in a blaze, gotta burn it down. Can't be afraid to leave this out. We got this far, don't know how.
I forgot that I did actually pick up new flywheel bolts and pressure plate bolts, because at the time I did not have any additional ones. So we're just going to double check to make sure that I did order the correct ones, and that they're the correct length and all that fun stuff, because these ones look slightly longer, but just 1 minute. See, we should be good based on everything I am seeing on this right here. Again, we are looking at just about even, and then we're still going to have to put the flywheel on. So we'll check and make sure. Yep. Okay, perfect. So we're going to use these ones with some blue Loctite, and then it looks like it says 59 to 64 foot-pounds is the specification. I had this flywheel actually resurfaced directly for this job. So, sorry, I'm just taking a look to see. Give me that. I'm going to rotate it 180 degrees. Because you should have it line up directly with that bolt.
Just like a spark that's breaking out. Can't make a stop, can't turn back now. We know that there's no room for doubt. No, we can't turn back now. I see danger in your eyes. They know we'll burn down the night. Coming just like the sunrise. You know that we're gonna light it up tonight. We're gonna light it up, babe. Tonight we're gonna light it up just like the sunrise. We're gonna light it up.
Alright guys, just when I thought I was done, I realized I didn't even apply the silicone that you need to apply all the way around here. So we're going to go ahead and do that. Thankfully everything came out nicely. I didn't have to worry about anything, so I can pretty much just go ahead and apply the silicone and bolt everything back together, and we'll be done. There we go. Sufficiently siliconed up. Okay, so now we're going to slide this back in. I got to try to find that little tool. So, just going to slide that on right like that, right there. We're going to apply just a dash of WD-40, and I'll run it around with my hand. Got that all right there. There we go. Okay. Let's see, I should have a little bit. Just want to make sure that we get that started. Okay, so one more time, first time for the last time. Let's see if we can get this all lined up. There it is. Okay. Well, that was a fun exercise of going really, really fast to take everything apart. So, now. Okay. These are 79 inch pounds. I'm just going to get this started here.